They say if you walk alone at night in Jamaica, and you hear chains dragging behind you, do not look back. One night, a man was heading home on a lonely dirt road. No moon. No light. Just the sound of crickets. And his footsteps. Then he heard it clink, clank, clank, clank. Chains. Heavy chains. Dragging across the dirt. He stopped. The chains stopped. He walked faster. The chains followed faster. His heart was pounding. He finally turned around. And in the darkness, two red, burning eyes stared back at him. A massive black creature stepped forward, horns, smoke, and chains wrapped all around its body. The rolling calf. One of Jamaica's most feared duppies, known for chasing anyone who wanders at night. It lowered its head, scraped its hooves in the dirt, and charged. The man remembered the old saying, to stop the rolling calf, drop anything on the road, so he threw his Bible behind him. The creature skidded to a stop and sniffed at it. And the man ran until sunrise, so next time you hear chains behind you, keep walking. Like and share this video and subscribe for more Jamaican stories.